What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jackson. We're over Fantom, guys. We're currently down about 4.3%. We're seeing a little pullback with Bitcoin and Fantom as well. So we're sitting in market cap at 5.79 billion, 24-hour volume, 550 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins, and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 1 hour time frame, guys. We had a head and shoulders, as you can see here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We broke the neckline. So what we can do here is measure from the top to the bottom. And you can see the price target has already been met. We wicked right down to the target at about 222 for Fantom. You can see we came back down to 30 on the RSI. We're having a little bit of a bounce. Now there's also a double top pattern here on the 4 hour time frame that we have to keep an eye on. Because if we break this neckline here, can bring Fantom down. Can bring it down pretty close to this level of support here at 192. Now we also have support at 215 for Fantom. So do target these levels as good opportunities to bounce. We'll quickly open up Bitcoin here. You can see we've seen a little bit of sell-off. I did say watch the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. As we may bounce from that level, and we have our strong level of support here at about 59.8K for Bitcoin, and then we have 57.6, 54.3. So if we do see Bitcoin come down to these two levels of support here, I think that's when you'll see Fantom come down to 215 and possibly 192. I think 215 is more likely here because Fantom is really strong. And you can see how we beautifully bounced off the 55 EMA. Right here we got overextended. We bounced off the 55 EMA. So I think 215, it lines pretty close up with the 55 EMA on the 4 hour. But if that support is broken here, guys, do target 192. We have our future price targets. Our target was met from our descending broadening wedge. We have 259 at the 1.414, and we have the 1.618 here at $3 for Fantom. So keep an eye on this neckline. It's coming in at about 224. If you see it broken, do target 215, and the technical target is down here at 199. We have this strong level of support at 1.92. And watch the 55 EMA on the 4 hour will also give us a good opportunity to bounce. Still looking really healthy for continuation, in my opinion. It's one of my larger holdings, Fantom, and I think it's going to absolutely explode over the next couple months. All right, guys, quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You can sign up through the Patreon. So that's basically it for this one. Smash that like button, check out crypto.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.